Welcome to dotcom Builders. In this video, I will share with you how to upgrade your email plan in Hostinger. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log into your Hostinger account. Now go to emails and next to your domain name, click on manage. Here you will see this upgrade button, click on it. And you will see this upgrade to business starter email instead of starter trial. In my case, here you can select the subscription plan, and here you will see the price per mailbox per month. After this, click on choose a different payment method if you want to pay with a different payment method, or select the one saved on your account. This is the expiration date, the total amount to pay today. If you have a coupon, you can add it here. After that, click on complete payment. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Hostinger web hosting online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger, how to set up your WordPress website and configure it, how to customize your WordPress website, SSL, security, privacy, email setup, launch and index your website, speed and performance optimization, how to use Lightspeed cache plugin, and also how to manage your files, databases, and backups. To get all of this today for free, plus my other online courses like Hostinger Website Builder or Hostinger License, just join dotcom Builders Academy from this link, academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue this video. And if you're looking for a simple way to compare between available email plans on Hostinger, simply go to emails, then click on claim free email. By the way, all those plans are free. Now click on claim free email, select any domain available from this list and hit confirm. And from this list, you can see the free plan with its characteristics or features, and you can see the upgrade one. In my case, I can upgrade to business starter. This is the price and this is the plan feature. And of course, you can see the premium business plan from here. And this is how to upgrade your hosting plan in Hostinger. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.